I'm ready.
Hi, ready? Wes, what did you get? Awesome! Check it out, Brady!
Pokemon.
He loves Pikachu, huh?
This is Pikachu.
Yeah, the yellow one. We're gonna draw a Pikachu for you guys, aren't we? Let's get started. Grab something to draw with, a marker, a crayon, a pencil, whatever you like, and something to draw on. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Buddies, let's get started with our simple to draw Pikachu face. Really easy. All right, so his ears are huge, so we kind of got to do the face kind of small. Ready? We'll do the top of the head with a little curved line, just like that. Perfect. Now we're going to take the ear all the way up. Ready? A slight curving line. Just like that. Perfect. Now we're going to bring it down. Just like that. Now this next ear is going to kind of go off to the side because his ears are always going all crazy. Let's do that one. Ready? All the way to the end of the paper there to show his crazy ears going off to the side. And bring that one back. Perfect. It's looking so good. Now, his cute little face. We're going to take it down. Ready? Just about halfway down his face. Just like that on that side. And then the same thing on the other side. Readies? Here we go. Perfect. Now we're going to give him a little, like kind of a curved bottom of the face. So we're going to take this line out just a little. This side out just a little. And now a big curve. Ready? Just like that. So cute. All right. And now we're going to do his eyes just above this halfway mark. So we'll do one kind of spread apart over here. Nice little circle. And one on the other side right here. Nice little circle. Perfect. Now we're going to do a nose. Just a nice little rounded triangle. And then the top of his mouth like that. Other side like that. Super easy. Now he always does this really big smile, so we're going to do that. All the way down and all the way up. Can't you see him, Breddies? That's so cool. All right, now we'll do his tongue. Nice curved line. Oh, he looks so happy. Perfect. Now we're gonna do his little red cheeks. And right where we did that bump right here, Breddies, we're just gonna do half a circle. So we're gonna go up and down. Nice little half a circle. Same thing on the other side. Little bit up and then down. It's looking so good. Now we can do his eyes in different ways. Let's do them our way, where we do a big white part there. And then a little bottom circle. You Breddies know I like to do my eyes like that. And then just fill it in. So good, Breddies. I told you this one would be short, easy, and fun. Okay, what are we missing? Who knows? What are we missing? That's right. The tips of his ears. About, I would say, 3/4 of the way are black. So let's do that. And then we don't even need to wait to color that in with our other markers. Let's just fill that in. I'll speed this part up since this might take me a little while. Perfect, Breddies. It looks so good and happy. All right, now let's do what I always like to coach you guys at home. Let's make these lines look a little better. All we're gonna do is, like, if we have a little kind of a little mess up there, we're just gonna make the line a little stronger by adding another line right on top of it. And then you get better as you practice, right? See that? It just straightens out that line. This is a brand new marker, so sometimes it'll bleed a little heavier at certain places. So sometimes I like to flip it around there, and then I'll just fix my lines just to look a little sharper. And then if you mess up, you can kind of just touch it up as you go. And again, buddies, it just takes practice to get a little better every day. That's why we draw with you guys once a week. And you just learn every time to get a little better. And your lines will get a little sharper, a little cleaner. And it just takes practice right there. See that? Looks so good, right? And then I want to thicken up this line here. So I'm going to grab it, flip it, and just go right next to it. Just clean it up. All right, buddies, I'll fast forward through this part for you. And there you go, buddies. I tightened up all those lines. He looks so good and ready to color. Let's get coloring.
I'm ready.
What'd you
I'm
do,
ready.
Wes? What you got there? Did we finish it?
Yeah.
Show him. Ooh, we finished our Pikachu. We hope you like it. Weston, what do you think we could do better next time? What Weston thinks we could do better. Let's hear it from Weston.
I know what next we should draw. We should draw. What is it? Oh yeah, Squirtle.
Ooh, Squirtle? Should we do Squirtle next, buddies? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have to.
All right. Let's do Squirtle next time, buddies. We hope you had fun doing Pikachu. Maybe me and Weston will go do a Squirtle short. Or you want to do a full one?
A full one with me and you.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
No,
All right,
we'll
buddies.
try.
We'll see you next time.